Why survival tools matter. Natural disasters, power outages, or getting lost outdoors can happen unexpectedly. A well-equipped survival kit ensures access to fire, shelter, and first aid. Whether camping, hiking, or facing an urban emergency, survival tools empower you to handle challenges like building shelter, purifying water, or signaling for help. When venturing into the outdoors or preparing for unexpected situations, having reliable survival tools can mean the difference between safety and vulnerability. A well-chosen survival tool isn't just gear, it's peace of mind. Whether you opt for the all-in-one, 38-piece kit, the professional-grade Gerber Truss, or the budget-friendly Ozark trail, prioritizing functionality and reliability ensures you're prepared for whatever comes your way. So the first product of this video is 38-piece survival kit and equipment set, essential emergency preparedness gear. If I discuss its description, this comprehensive survival kit provides critical tools for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. The set includes a versatile range of equipment, such as a tactical flashlight, emergency blanket, multi-function shovel, and first aid supplies, all organized in a durable waterproof case for easy transport and storage. Manufacturer specifications highlight the military-grade materials used in key components like the paracord bracelet and fire starter, which are designed to withstand harsh conditions. Reviewers frequently praise the kit's thoughtful composition, noting its balance between essential survival tools and compact portability. Particular attention was given to multi-use items, like the credit card-sized survival tool that incorporates 12 different functions. The manufacturer emphasizes the kit's suitability for various scenarios including camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness, with many customer reviews confirming its reliability during actual outdoor use. For those seeking a well-rounded survival solution at an accessible price point, this 38-piece set offers practical value through its combination of essential tools and durable construction. If check its FAQs. Question 1. Is the flashlight included in the kit waterproof? Answer. Product specifications indicate the tactical flashlight is water-resistant for outdoor use but not fully submersible. Question 2. Does the kit contain instructions for using the survival tools? Answer. Manufacturer information confirms the inclusion of basic usage guidelines for all included equipment. The second product of this video is Gerber Truss Multi-Tool with MOLLE Sheath, versatile gray multi-function tool for outdoor use. If I discuss its description, the Gerber Truss Multi-Tool delivers professional-grade functionality in a compact package designed for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. This gray-finished tool features 15 integrated functions, including needle nose pliers, wire cutters, multiple screwdrivers, and a serrated knife, all constructed from high-quality stainless steel for durability. The manufacturer emphasizes the tool's patented sliding head pliers that provide enhanced leverage, and the MOLLE-compatible sheath that allows for secure attachment to gear or belts. Customer reviews frequently highlight the tool's smooth operation and comfortable grip during extended use. Product specifications note the tool's 6.5-inch length when closed and 9.5-ounce weight, making it substantial enough for tough jobs while remaining portable. The locking mechanism for all implements ensures safety during operation, a feature particularly praised by users in trade professions. The gray oxide finish offers both corrosion resistance and a low-profile appearance for those needing a reliable multi-tool that balances comprehensive functionality with everyday carry convenience. The Gerber Truss represents a solid investment, backed by the brand's reputation for quality outdoor gear. If check its FAQs. Question 1. Are the pliers spring-loaded for easier use? Answer. Manufacturer specifications confirm the needle nose pliers feature a spring-loaded design for convenient one-handed operation. Question 2. Does the MOLLE sheath allow for horizontal carry? Answer. Yes, the sheath is designed with multiple attachment points to accommodate both vertical and horizontal carrying orientations. The third product of this video is Ozark Trail 19IN1 Multi-Function Survival Tool, 6.3-inch aluminum handle, camping essential. If I discuss its description, the Ozark Trail 19IN1 Multi-Function Survival Tool combines essential outdoor gear into a compact, hammer-style aluminum handle design. This versatile tool integrates 19 practical functions, including a hammer head, knife blade, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and fire starter, all constructed with durable stainless steel components. Manufacturer specifications highlight the tool's lightweight 10.4-ounce aluminum handle that provides comfortable grip and reduces overall weight without sacrificing durability. The 6.3-inch size makes it suitable for backpack storage, while remaining substantial enough for demanding tasks. The hammer's surface is designed for camping tasks, such as tent stake placement, with many users confirming its effectiveness in field conditions. Product details emphasize the corrosion-resistant materials and ergonomic handle shape that accommodates both gloved and bare-handed use. For campers and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly multi-tool that covers basic survival needs without excessive bulk, this Ozark trail offering delivers practical functionality in a portable package. Check its FAQs. Question 1. Is the knife blade sharp enough for survival tasks? Answer. Manufacturer testing confirms the stainless steel blade arrives sharpened for immediate use, though some reviewers recommend honing for optimal performance. Question 2. How does the aluminum handle withstand heavy hammer use? Answer. Product specifications indicate the aircraft-grade aluminum handle is engineered to withstand regular hammering tasks, typical of camping applications. The last product of this video is Rhino USA Survival Shovel, with pick heavy-duty, carbon steel entrenching tool, with rubber handle. If I discuss its description, the Rhino USA Survival Shovel represents a professional-grade entrenching tool, built for demanding outdoor and emergency situations. This heavy-duty shovel features a high-carbon steel head, with 3 functional configurations: standard shovel, pickaxe, and hoe, making it adaptable for digging, chopping, or breaking through tough terrain. Manufacturer specifications highlight the military-inspired design, with a 38-inch overall length and rubberized handle grip that provides secure control even in wet conditions. The shovel head locks securely in multiple positions using a patented locking mechanism that reviewers praise for its stability during heavy use. The shovel maintains a balance between substantial digging power and manageable weight for extended carrying. The Rhino USA model delivers exceptional durability and versatility in wilderness or disaster scenarios. Check its FAQs. Question 1. Can the shovel head be replaced if damaged? Answer. The manufacturer offers replacement parts including shovel heads, though product testing shows the high carbon steel construction resists bending or breaking under normal use conditions. Question 2. Is the handle length adjustable for different users? Answer. While not telescoping, the 38-inch fixed length is designed to accommodate most users comfortably, with the rubber grip providing additional control leverage. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Our video for today ends here. If you like any product, links of all products are given in the description for your convenience. Go to the description and order your favorite product. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the best upcoming videos.